You are watering your raised bed every single day, and the gardener 2 streets away, same plants, same sun, same soil, is watering once a week. Same results. Sometimes better. The difference is not discipline, not a drip system, not an expensive liner. It is what is buried underneath. In Germany, farmers have been building raised beds over buried logs and branches for over 300 years. The buried wood slowly rots, and as it rots, it acts like a sponge, absorbing rainwater, releasing it slowly, feeding fungal networks that connect directly to your crop roots, reducing irrigation needs by up to 70%, extending your growing season by 2 full weeks. The Germans called it Hugelkultur, hill culture, built entirely from material most gardeners throw away every autumn. The word Hugelkultur appears in German agricultural literature as early as the 1700s. Sepp Holzer used it at 1,500 meters elevation where conventional irrigation was impossible. His beds watered themselves. For years, without pipes, without pumps, without timers. Fungal networks from decomposing wood extended up to 4 feet outward from buried logs connecting to crop roots above. The wood was not just storing water, it was building an underground distribution network. Today, how it works, how to build one this weekend, and why the wood you have been burning may be the most valuable thing in your garden. If this is your first time here, subscribe now and hit the bell. Every week we go this deep on the methods that actually change how your garden performs. Hugelkultur is a raised bed built over buried wood. Large logs at the base, smaller branches above, green material, grass clippings, kitchen scraps, fallen leaves, cardboard to suppress weeds, then 15 to 20 centimeters of topsoil and compost on top. The mound rises 60 to 90 centimeters. The slope sheds excess rain while the buried wood absorbs and stores it. By season 2, the wood becomes a functioning sponge. By season 3, fungal networks extend through your entire growing layer. By year 5, almost no fertilizer, almost no irrigation, almost no maintenance. 3 biological mechanisms make this work. Mechanism 1. The sponge effect. Buried decaying logs hold 3 to 5 times their own weight in water, releasing it slowly toward roots using rainfall captured weeks earlier. Emphasis. Irrigation drops by 30 to 70%. Mechanism 2. The heat engine. Decomposing wood generates heat. In a hugelkultur bed, this raises soil temperature 3 to 5 degrees Fahrenheit above the surrounding garden. Research documented growing seasons extended by 10 to 14 days, an entire crop cycle for fast-growing salad greens. Mechanism 3. The fungal highway. As wood decomposes, mycorrhizal fungi colonize it, building a 3-dimensional network through the full bed. Hyphae extend up to 4 feet outward, delivering phosphorus and water directly to crop roots. By year 3, fertilizer needs are 40 to 60% lower than a standard bed. The wood is running a distribution network, underground, automatically, for free. Sepp Holzer's farm sat at 1,500 meters in the Austrian Alps. Experts told him the land was unsuitable for growing food. He ignored them. In the 1960s, he buried fallen logs into his hillside beds. His crops survived frosts that destroyed valley gardens. His beds stayed moist through dry summers. He had built a system that mimicked how forest floors maintain moisture and nutrients without human intervention, buried logs functioning like root systems of fallen trees releasing water for decades. Holzer called it working with nature rather than against it. Here is how to build one this weekend. No power tools required. What you need: partially decayed logs, thick branches, smaller woody prunings, green material, cardboard, topsoil, and compost. Step 1. Orient east to west 1.2 meters wide. Dig a 20 to 30 centimeter depression. Step 2. Lay your largest logs into the depression. Pack tightly. Emphasis. Soak them thoroughly. Dry wood pulls moisture from your soil. Step 3. Layer smaller branches over the logs. Add green material 10 to 15 centimeters deep. Cover with overlapping wet cardboard. Step 4. Cover everything with dug-out soil plus compost to 15 to 20 centimeters. Shape into a gentle mound. Step 5. Plant immediately. In year 1, squash, courgettes, and pumpkins thrive. They love the high nitrogen from the decomposing green layer. By year 2, grow anything. Watch for 3 signs your system is activating. First, after rainfall, the bed drains surface water faster than surrounding soil. The wood has begun absorbing. Second, in summer, your bed needs 30 to 40% less watering. By year 2, that gap widens. Third, by year 2, lift a small section of the green layer. White fungal threads will be visible at the interface with the wood below. Your underground network is forming. Every raised bed has the same problem. It sits on top of ground isolated from the systems that make natural soil productive. It needs constant inputs because it has no mechanism to generate its own. Hugelkultur does not solve that problem. It eliminates it. By burying wood that would otherwise be burned, you create a system that stores its own water, generates its own heat, and builds its own fungal network for 10 to 20 years from a single weekend's work. German farmers knew this for 3 centuries. Sepp Holzer proved it where farming was supposed to be impossible. The logs in your garden right now are not waste material. They are the foundation of a system that will still be feeding your plants long after you have stopped thinking about it. Nature is patient. So are we. Before you go tell me in the comments, do you have logs or branches you were planning to chip or burn? I read every single one. Your garden is not failing you, it is teaching you. I will see you in the next file.